Ito na ang INFINIX HOT 50 Pro Plus. This is probably the world's slimmest na budget gaming phone. Ba't ko nga matasabi yun? Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kanipis right after this quick intro. So guys, i-unbox na natin itong bagong INFINIX HOT 50 Pro Plus. So kita natin it's being tuned by JBL and meron siyang 5 years na fluency. So meaning meron ka software update up to 5 years to ensure na smooth operation itong phone mo. And kita natin this one is being collaborated with Honor of Kings, kaya special ang kanyang print. Kita natin there's some other features dito. Splash proof siya, meron siyang NFC and IP54 rated siya. Dust and water resistant. So i-unbox na natin. Woot! Yun. So this is yung normal packaging na without yung Honor of Kings na print. So here are the specs na i-expect mo sa kanya. Basahin ko lang. 6.8mm thickness ng ang kanyang katawan. Nipis. Helio G100 na kanyang processor. 33 watts fast charging with 5,000 mAh of battery. Dual speaker, sound by JBL. 3D curved display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate. And meron din siya Infinix AI. Ang variant ko dito nga pala is 8+8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage. Buksan na natin. Plok! Ito yung packaging niya. So, itabi ko muna yung phone. You can win some exciting prizes if you scan yung QR code dito sa likod ng card na ito, which is collaborated with Honor of Kings. Meron kang warranty card dito. Meron kang tempered glass and yung kanyang cleaning kit. Ayos oh! Curved screen na tempered glass. Galing! Thank you, Infinix. Meron din siyang clear na case. This is not a jelly case. Matigas siya, hard-shelled, and it's transparent. 33 watts na charging brick, guys. And of course, ang kanyang charging cable na A to C. Let's not wait any further. So, buksan na natin. Ang meron ko dito is the titanium color. Look guys, oh, ang ganda. Tawag na dito is the titanium gray. Andito ang kanyang mga camera modules. Ang ganda ng kanyang finish dito sa likod. I really love it. And smooth siya, pero matte finish siya. So, expect walang fingerprints. Meron siyang loudspeaker dito sa ibabaw and meron siyang sounds by JBL. Another loudspeaker and your Type-C port na dito sa ilalim. Magandang display and it has curved screen edge. Grabe. This is probably the first ng HOT series na may curved screen display. And surprisingly small din ang kanyang punch hole dito sa kanyang front-facing camera. Here are some quick samples ng photos na nakuha ko dito. And here's a quick glimpse ng gameplay ko ng Honor of Kings. So guys, kung gusto nyo makita ang full review nitong INFINIX HOT 50 Pro Plus, don't forget to subscribe to my channel para ma-notify kayo once na nilabas ko na ang full review nito phone na ito. Plus, syempre, yung kanyang price reveal. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.